Good day, and welcome back to the Flying Doctor channel. Today, we have an incredibly exciting and unique experience lined up. We're about to take a few steps backwards on the aviation timeline and embark on a quick flight aboard an aircraft almost 100 years old. So, buckle up and get ready for a loud and nostalgic ride. Today's flight will take place in Frederick, Maryland, and is hosted by and in support of the Experimental Aircraft Association. While only a short drive by car, arriving from the air seemed a bit more appropriate and only enhanced the overall experience. The quick shuttle north had us on the ground parked at Signature Flight Support. There's a good chance that aircraft isn't the first thing that comes to mind when you hear the company name Ford. However, in the 1920s and 30s, the Ford Motor Company developed an airplane that revolutionized commercial aviation. Let's briefly delve into the fascinating history of the Trimotor and its lasting impact on the world of flight. The Trimotor was born out of Ford's desire to bring air travel to the masses. Ford envisioned an aircraft that was reliable, safe, and capable of operating from short runways, a vision that would democratize aviation and open up new possibilities for transportation and commerce. First taking to the skies in 1925, the Ford Trimotor featured several groundbreaking innovations. It was one of the first all-metal passenger planes utilizing corrugated aluminum construction for strength and durability. With its distinctive appearance, the Trimotor became instantly recognizable, featuring 3 radial engines mounted on the wings, thus earning its Tin Goose nickname. In the commercial sector, the Trimotor's success was undeniable. It quickly became the aircraft of choice for numerous airlines, government agencies, and adventurers around the world. Airlines such as Pan American Airways, Eastern Air Transport, and Transcontinental Air Transport relied on the Trimotor for their expanding air routes connecting previously isolated regions. As aviation technology advanced, the Ford Trimotor gradually phased out of commercial service. However, its legacy endured. Today, aviation enthusiasts such as you and history buffs continue to cherish the Ford Trimotor. Several airworthy Trimotors, including the one we are on today, have been preserved and meticulously maintained, allowing present-day enthusiasts to experience the thrill of flying in the iconic aircraft. These flying relics serve as a reminder of the pioneering spirit that fueled the early days of commercial aviation. As the Trimotor touched down and taxied to the stand, the reality I was about to board an airplane that was manufactured in 1928 was beginning to sink in. The amount of avgeek excitement that I could feel around me from fellow aviation enthusiasts quickly redirected my train of thought as the Tin Goose taxied ever closer. 3 Pratt & Whitney Wasp engines output 420 horsepower each to generate enough thrust to bring this aircraft off the ground. After the previous passengers deplaned and a quick safety briefing, it was time to board.
I have a question. Do you know what year this particular aircraft was manufactured?
It was built in 28, and I think it was put in service in 29. 1929. Had it all. I did.
After entering the fuselage, I was impressed by the interior condition. The wood siding, mustard-colored drapes, and other Art Deco aspects within the interior partially mask the truly rigid and sturdy skeleton the aircraft is built on. The size of the windows were unlike any other aircraft I've been on, and the incline of the aircraft when at rest is definitely not something I'm used to.
Is your wife coming?
work if you need it. Howdy, welcome aboard, everybody.
Hello.
Take your choice out of the window. I got it down there. I don't know the part.
What model?
Well, I got a little one, 4316. That's my parade.
Enjoy the startup of the engines and this quick flight. Ford Trimotor holds a significant place in aviation history, symbolizing an era of exploration, adventure, and progress. Its innovative design, widespread commercial use, and involvement in notable achievements made it an enduring icon. The Trimotor's contribution to aviation's golden age solidifies its status as one of the most important aircraft in the history of flight, forever etching its name in the annals of aviation. If you would like your own chance to fly on the Ford Trimotor, check out the EAA website to figure out when the Trimotor will be near you so you can book your own flight aboard this historic aircraft. As always, thanks for watching. See ya.